Hi friends, you are watching Learn to Update. Welcome to the another video of job news series. We have many more interesting job news covered in this video. Before starting the video, make sure you subscribe to my channel and hit that bell icon to stay updated whenever I upload a new video. And the first organization of this job news video is Webbyte Technologies Private Limited. So they are hiring for business development executive. And the qualification for this job roles is any graduates who are passing out from 2018 to 2020. So 2018, 2019, 2020 graduates all are eligible for this off-campus drive. And the educational qualifications for this role is given here: BA, BCom, BSc, BE, BTech, BBA, BCA. So all are eligible for this job role, and the interview process is also given here. And the next organization is Expeditia Group. So Expeditia Group is hiring for graduate product manager. The qualification for this job roles is pursuing a bachelor's degree in computer science, computer engineering, human computer interaction, user experience, product management, graduating in 2020, be a dynamic multitasker. So these are the requirements for this job role. So if you are interested for this job role, you have to simply click on apply now, or you can apply using Seek profile also. And the next organization is RSA. So RSA is hiring for software engineer role. Education qualification for this job role is master's degree in engineering, CSECE IT, and the experience is 0 to 2 years with preferably in enterprise product companies is the requirement for this job role. And the other key responsibilities and essential requirements for this job role is given in this website. If you are interested, you can simply click on apply now button, and it will take you to the further process. And the next organization is Bloomreach. So Bloomreach is hiring for back-end software engineer who is a junior. So they are hiring for fresher. The educational qualification for this job role is BTech, MTech or equivalent degree in computer science or related field. And there is 1 to 2 years of experience building software solutions in corporate or startup is also a requirement, and some other things are also given here. So if you are interested for this job role, you have to click on apply now button, or you can apply using LinkedIn profile, or you can simply fill out these details which you will find by scrolling down in this website, and you can simply click on submit application. And the next organization is ISCO Diversity Challenge 2020 graduates. So this is a kind of Hacker Earth challenges. Based on these Hacker Earth challenge, they will hire you for a software engineer trainees position. The eligibility criteria for this opportunity is given here. Offered candidates to join in the next 1 to 2 months. Female candidates BE, BTech, MCA with the graduation year of 2020. CGPA 60% and above. These are the eligibility criteria for this challenge. And if you are interested, or if you are eligible for this challenge, you can simply click on register button. It will open and closes at these particular times which are provided here. And the next organization is IHS Markit. So they are hiring for graduate program 2021, and the eligibility for this job role is MBA finance or BBA degree. So the passed outs are 2020 for MBA, and BBA degree can apply for these job roles, and some other details are also given here in this website. So if you are interested, you can simply click on apply now option, and it will take you to the further process. And the next organization is Myntra. So Myntra is hiring for associate digital marketing, and the qualification for this job role is MBA graduate, and he or she should have 6 months to 1+ tenure of experience. And some other roles and responsibilities and other criteria for this job role is given in this website. And if you are interested, you can simply fill out this form which is provided in this website, submit the application. It will take you to the further process. And the next organization is Electronic Arts. They are hiring for software engineer for C++, and this organization requires a qualification of bachelor's degree in computer science or higher, and some other qualifications are also given here. and then some responsibilities are also given in this website. So if you satisfy for this organization eligibility criteria and all these things, you can simply click on apply button and it will take you to the further processes for this application. And the next organization is Small Bazaar. Small Bazaar is hiring for business development associate. Anyone who are graduated in between 2018 to 2020 in any degree like BE, BTech or BSc can apply for this job role, business development sales. Some other details you have to provide in this Google Forms link. Then you have to simply click on submit button. So your application will be submitted and you can get some confirmation message through mail or through your WhatsApp. So all the links which I covered in this video are given below in the description box. If you are interested in any of these job roles, you can simply apply for this job role. If you like this video, don't forget to hit that big fat like button and share the video to the people who needs this the most. Thank you all for watching the video, friends. Keep learning.